Good morning to the crew. We are staying at the campsite pretty good. Hi, good morning. But the thing is, Mark is sick today. He said he has a kind of stomach problem. He couldn't wake up. It is 11 a.m. I'm kind of worried about his condition. Today we are gonna stay in the car and then check his condition and make sure he doesn't have a fever or food poisoning, something like that. I tried to wake him up and drink some coffee or some activities, but yeah, he said like he doesn't feel good. Well, but anyways, we are in the outside of the car, and each side there is the boat part there, and there are sailors from some of them from Europe, so we met them too, just like say hello. But yeah, it's quite a lot of boat over there. Later, if Mark can walk and can get out of the bed, we are gonna just sit on the beach and see the boats because that's his favorite one. We have a company from the Zebra Bar before, and we met them here again. It is nice to see them, and I think they went out today first look around the town, Dakar. And the thing is, there is a line is going through his car battery from our outlet. The reason why their car battery, they have to move every 2 days. If they don't, their car will die. So we just like get the our smart charger to do, and so that they don't need to move every time. 마크를 볼게요. 아직 못 일어나고 있어. I'm preparing Korean meal tonight. That would be a seaweed soup. So Mark's favorite one. I think he said that like his tummy's not good still. So yeah, make kind of basic kind of meal that is just easy on his stomach. Mark doesn't look good right now. Like he just dropped my heart because he said that I think I have malaria in the morning. And I go, what? Keep the key. Someone is not helping. Guys, behind me, Mark is wearing the fleece jacket and the blanket. Actually, it's freaking hot right now. It is 28.2 degrees, but he's bundled up. Okay, Mark just woke up and I asked him to check the temperature. It's at 38.5, which he has a fever. I'm not sure what is causing him. Definitely he's sick. His tummy doesn't feel good. He feels nauseous, fever. Could it be a food poison? You gotta lie down, Ania.
I thought I was okay.
You're not okay. You are not okay. I'm gonna make a bed for you, and then just sleep.
So annoying.
Nothing much you can do. Sick is sick,
So annoying.
Yeah. Today is the first time that Mark is outside of our van. He's putting the mosquito spray so that he's not gonna be bitten much. So yeah. We're gonna check the temperature later too. So you feel better?
I think so.
그래?
I think so.
모기약을 발랐는데도 이렇게 물렸습니다. 네, 발라주세요. 네, 너무 많이 물렸어. 있어, 2통 더 있어 우리. Temperature, huh?
37.2.
Yeah, that baby's normal sign.
What the heck? Alright.
So
Let's go out tonight, baby.
뭐래? 지금 그 해열제 먹어서 그런 걸 수도 있어.
Lucy made me juk. Delicious. That's your breakfast, right?
다른 거 좀 먹어야 돼. 오늘 좀 괜찮아? 컨디션?
I feel better.
다행이다. Guys, Mark He's feeling better, but he still have a stomach ache. But today we are gonna do barbecue with our neighbor Ismail and Natalie. I hope that I pronounced his name correctly. I'm struggling because I'm trying to pronounce it in Korean. Yeah, they bought the fish. I'm trying to prepare some of stuff, but we don't have that much ingredient. That's kind of issue, but it would be nice, cozy night, huh? So yeah, I'm gonna carry the rice outside and then yeah, let's eat.
We're gonna have a nice barbecue in the rain.
Yeah. It's raining again, huh?
There we go. The bigger ones will break apart.
Wow, it's huge, huh?
설탕? 몰라, 있을 텐데. What are you doing?
제가 소스 만들려고 그 양파조림. 한국 음식을 가져온 게 거의 없네.
Okay. Bit of salt. Do you see? I don't see.
It's closed.
It was closed. Okay.
You have to be smarter than the container. Oh, I'm zoom. Your face looks huge.
Thank you.
Oh, is it?
Do you want me to do it?
Be careful.
I'm Korean. I can handle the heat better than Mark is.
Hey,
He's like, oh, you can do it. Like,
what are you talking about?
ooh, hot. I'm sweating already.
It smells very good.
헤드라이트 좀 비춰줄래?
And what is this, Nami?
Samjang. I'm not sure if it fits or not, but we have to finish it, so...
Yeah. Perfect.
What is samjang?
It's a paste that you normally eat with Korean barbecue with meat.
Oh, your mosquito bites.
Yeah, I got another mosquito here.
Time for bed, killed 9 mosquitoes before bed. Not too bad.
We are still not quite sure what put me down for a couple days, but my guess is that it was just a 24-hour bug, maybe. But anyways, we had put off a few things that really required our attention, so now that I'm back to my old self, it was time to get things done. First,
Guys, we are heading to Samsung to fix my phone today, right?
Yeah.
어떻게 해서 고치는데?
고칠 수 있는데 스크린이 조금 다르네. 그리고 가격은 거의 104유로.
Okay. Not bad.
We are done for today. We are gonna head back to TV, right?
Yeah.
And somehow we got exhausted. Right?
오늘은
Passapartout. We gotta extend it today. Yeah, for car. Kind of like a temporarily import document, if we can say, right? 파사반트 그 연장은 끝났습니다. 한 15분 정도 걸린 것 같아요. Guys, finally we got some cash. Because of my cell phone problem, I couldn't transfer anything in my Korean bank to the card. I use it. So luckily, one of your membership members give us a support to transit to our Korean bank. So finally, we pulled the money. It's so glad that he was helping us through this kind of stage. So we can go up or we can go down. That's kind of artist village.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah, let's check it out. Oh yeah, you got lots of stuff here, huh? Bonjour.
Look at that.
Oh wow. Can you do that one more time?
Wow.
can give a good price for you.
Finally, we're doing tourist things in Senegal, right?
Wow.
So pretty.
이건 뭐야?
애교시야? What did you think of that place?
Oh, it is really interesting. They are really working on the chopping the wood and
Yeah.
painting. It's like if you want to see the process of the art come out, you gotta visit here. 너무 일찍 왔나 봐. They're gonna go fishing soon. He's doing
Oh wow.
amigo.
Yeah. Oh. They got a lot of fish, huh?
오징어, 갑오징어 봤나? 지금 거의 다 보고 이제 식당 찾아가지고 밥 먹으러 가려고 해요.
What's the name of the restaurant?
서울. 근데
서울.
세네갈 음식 팔아.
Yeah. 이런데 어떻게 찾아? So? 이겼나봐. Wow. So restaurant?
Yeah,
Okay.
Guys, we finished our meal. You're not allowed to take videos inside, so we just turned off the camera. Food was really good. It's Senegal food. It was really delicious. And now we are gonna go to the Samsung service center to pick up my phone. Please, they finished to fix it. Guys, we just picked up my phone. They said just leave it like this for 1 hour because the glue is still like touching each other.
You happy?
Yeah.
Happy.
Yeah. Finally. I haven't had a phone over 10 days,
Yeah,
right?
that's
More than
true.
10 days.
Yeah. Okay, there you go.
Thank you.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Welcome home.